Here, another snow squall warning.
The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a snow squall warning for southwestern Wayne County in southeastern Michigan, southeastern Washtenaw County in southeastern Michigan until noon. At 11:09 a.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near Manchester to New Willis to Romulus, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts greater than 35 miles per hour. Source: radar and webcams. Impact: travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. This includes the following highways: I-275 between mile markers 8 and 21. I-94 between mile markers 174 and 196. Bus 23 between mile markers 26 and 37. Locations impacted include Ann Arbor, Romulus, Ypsilanti, Saline, Milan, Canton, Belleville, Willis, Wayne, Bridgewater, Pittsfield Township, Whitaker, New Boston, Sumter Township, Willow, and Waltz. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions.